Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is hacking. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is hacking? Hacking is the unauthorized attempt to access, manipulate, or exploit computer systems, networks, or digital devices. Hacking can encompass a wide range of activities from benign exploration and experimentation to malicious actions aimed at compromising the security, privacy, or integrity of a system. Here are a few key aspects of hacking. Number one, ethical hacking. Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing or white hat hacking, involves authorized individuals or organizations probing computer systems and networks to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses. The goal of ethical hacking is to improve security by finding and addressing vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. Number two, malicious hacking. This refers to illegal and harmful hacking activities where individuals or groups attempt to gain unauthorized access to systems or networks for personal gain, malicious intent, or to commit various cybercrimes. Common malicious activities include data theft, spreading malware, defacing websites, and more. Number three, types of hackers. Hackers can be classified into different categories, include black hat hackers. These are malicious hackers who engage in illegal activities to exploit vulnerabilities, steal information, or cause harm. White hat hackers. These are ethical hackers who work to improve security by finding and fixing vulnerabilities with the owner's permission. Gray hat hackers. These hackers may not have explicit authorization but disclose vulnerabilities they discover. Their intentions can vary. Hacktivists. These hackers have a political or social agenda and use their skills to promote a cause or ideology. 4. Hacking techniques. Hacking techniques can include various methods such as password cracking, social engineering, phishing, malware deployment, exploiting software vulnerabilities, and denial of service attacks. Number 5. Legal and ethical considerations. Hacking is subject to various laws and regulations, and unauthorized hacking is illegal in most jurisdictions. Engaging in hacking without permission can lead to criminal charges and severe penalties. Ethical hacking, when conducted with proper authorization and within legal boundaries, is a valuable practice for improving cybersecurity. It's essential to distinguish between ethical hacking, which is concluded for legitimate security purposes, and malicious hacking, which is illegal and can lead to serious consequences. Cybersecurity professionals, organizations, and law enforcement agencies play a significant role in detecting and preventing malicious hacking activities to protect digital assets and information. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation and report what is hacking is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.